what's up? Welcome back to my channel, you guys. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. So on today's video, I'm bringing you guys this gorgeous spring makeup look just in time for spring, you guys. And I am featuring lots of new makeup products by Milani that I freaking love. Milani is an affordable, amazing, good brand, you guys. I just love Milani. So I hope you guys love this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't yet. If you're here new, please make sure to hit the subscribe button if you guys want to watch more videos like this. So enough talking, let's jump right into this tutorial. All right, you guys, so I look busted. I took my makeup off. I was gonna go in to work, but not no more. So I'm here with you guys. All right, so I'm gonna start by priming my eyes, and I don't have any Milani primer. I did, but I don't have it anymore. So I am going to be using this by Ace Beauty. Girl, this is a must. This product, it's really, really good. Really, really good. So a little bit goes a long way, seriously. So I'm just going to apply this all over my lid. Blend that with a beauty blender or your finger. Just a little bit goes a long way. Enough to cover up the redness. Now you want to set that with a loose powder. I love setting mine with airspun loose powder. You guys know that. So just a little bit so that make the eyeshadow doesn't crease or like doesn't fold on you. Well, same thing. So it doesn't crease on you or smudge. There we go. That's the word I'm looking for, smudge. So I'm going to be using this new palette by Milani Cosmetics, which is called Glided Floral. And girl, packaging just screams out spring. It's beautiful. And look at the colors. And the way they show up on camera, that's how they look in person, which I'm so happy. So I'm going to begin with Salt of the Earth. And I'm just going to be applying this on the crease, winging it out since I'm going to be doing a cut crease. This is just a gorgeous, like, earthy tone color. It's really pretty. It's blending this, and I'm bringing it out. I'm also using all Sigma palettes, all Sigma brushes, the ones with in collaboration with Beauty Bird. Those brushes are freaking amazing. A different brush, I am going to be, I'll put the kit down below. So now I'm going to be grabbing Take Root. So now I'm grabbing Take Root, and I'm going to just carve in my crease. So basically like just doing an eyeliner and winging it out a little bit. I am not going to blend that shadow. I am just applying where I want the crease to be cut. Use a thinner brush because right there is a little bit too thick for it. So like our eyeliner, depending on the shape of your eye. And you guys know mine is little, so. Now you guys know that I usually cut the crease with concealer, but I've been using this micellar water by RIKI Cosmetics and with a Q-tip. So I think it's much better. I told you guys in the previous video why no one told me to clean it with a micellar water. I don't even know why it didn't come up to my head. And I was supposed to call myself a makeup artist. But we're gonna cut this or clean it. And just look at that, how clean that looks. Oh. Now I'm gonna add my base. You can straight up just add your eyeshadow, but I want to add the base so it can just pop out more. So I'm adding that same base I started with. Doing the brown shadow just to see where our cut was gonna be makes it much easier. Don't you guys hate when there's like glue residue? Freaking hate it. Okay, so I was gonna go neutral, but this purple is just calling out my name, and it's called Forget Me Not. It is just freaking beautiful, so freaking beautiful. I'm gonna wet my brush just so the product can stick on more, and you can use water or your setting powder, you guys. And I'm gonna grab that beautiful purple color and apply that on the lid. It's like a fairy color. It's so freaking pretty. Wow. This reminds me of Tinkerbell. This is Tinkerbell. So pretty. Don't forget to take it out to the wing part since you want everything to look nice and cohesive. So just bring it out. It's okay if it's messy. We're going to clean that up later. Okay, I'm going to clean it with my micellar water. Get you some micellar water. So good. And now I'm going to take a flat shader brush or liner brush and just outline really thin all the way up to match that, and also on top of that purple. With the shade that we started with, which was Salt of the Earth, I'm going to be applying that under my lash line, and then I'm going to take Root and apply that also under the lash line. Okay, so I already applied mascara, so now it's time for the lashes, you guys. So I'm going to be trying this Flora Vegan eyelashes. These are also new by Milani, and now these lashes are beautiful, but they are on the thick side. So every time you grab a lash, you want to make sure that you like massage it like a little U side to side, because they are really thick. Most of the time they're always so thick, but this one's I already wore it yesterday since I already had the makeup done, even though it's a complete different makeup look, but they were on the thick side. And girl, I didn't even tell you guys, oh my gosh, I'm just everywhere. My brain is everywhere. I got my driver's license. I got it. I did it. I passed my driving test. I did it. I passed it on Tuesday, and I got my license yesterday. So I was filming this for you guys yesterday, but I didn't think, because my driver instructor told me that I didn't have to take a picture, you know. He's like, just go in and give him the paper. I'm like, okay. And me, like, halfway done my makeup, my husband, you know, picked me up and we went to go get my license. And she's like, you gotta take a picture. I'm like, oh my God. I'm like, I'm not even contour. I'm like, you know, thinking about, oh my God, I made a whole video on how to do your makeup for your license. And here I go with just my eyes. I mean, I did have my makeup on, but I didn't like it. My hair was not done, but I got it yesterday. I'm just so excited. Enough talking about that. I'll make a different video about that, you guys. But just take your time and just keep doing this for your lash, because like I'm telling you, this was really thick. Even the lady was like, your makeup looks bomb in this picture today. I like your hair in the other one. I'm like, I know. But can you guys believe, I mean, I still feel like it's not real. Like, seriously? Right now, we are looking for a car for me, and I am just freaking excited. I am so excited just to go get my son from school. I am just freaking excited for that. To be able to go to the store and stop doing Instacart, because girl, Instacart is expensive. Uber itself is freaking expensive. It's like, it used to be like $8, I swear to you, to go get my son from school and come back. Like another $8. Now it's like $30 to go. It's like a 10-mile ride. 10 mile, was it? No, 10 minutes. Yeah, 10 minutes. 10 miles. The hell. But yeah, it's getting super, super expensive. So I'm like, I cannot wait. I can't wait. So I'm looking for a little car. I really don't care what it is, even though my husband does. I guess there's type of cars that the gas is good and that don't need that much work, so he's looking for that. Okay, so I did my face behind camera and I did my other eye. So what I am going to start doing is doing like the full tutorial here on YouTube, and then you can find it on Pinterest, TikTok, Instagram, just this eye, just a little quick snip of this look, so you guys can watch the full tutorial here. So for the face, the only thing that I have new for Milani, it's their spray, their setting spray. But I do have some bronzers for Milani. They're not new, they're old. So one is called Fake Tan. This one's called Fake Tan. And then this one is called Bronze Glow. So I'm just going to put both of them on my face because I want to look like a goddess today. So I'm first using Fake Tan. And I'm going to apply where I already applied my contour, which was cream contour. I'm using that dark shade. You know what? I'm gonna mix it. I'm gonna mix both of them. And I'm just going to apply it. I feel like I swear, I think it's every time I'm filming with you guys, I feel like I can't breathe. I seriously need to get a Milani foundation. I know I had it years ago, but not no more, and I remember it was really good. I'm just going to remove this little bake that I did right here. I've been loving baking. I go like in a little, how do you call it, in a little journey. Like, I want to bake, I don't want to bake. I want to bake, I don't. Can you guys see the little nails clickety clacking? So we have this Milani setting spray, and it's called Make It Last Flora. And I love that it's just nice and mist, as you guys can hear that. And it did work really, really good. Because yesterday, like I told you guys, I did my makeup all crazy. Just to like, I did my makeup really fast just to test this out. And it does work really good. It doesn't have like a floral scent or anything. Now I'm just going to go over with my damn blender. Now for the lipsticks, they did come out with new lipsticks, you guys. Remember, like the ones that were going on TikTok so crazy? Well, they came out with new ones. So I'm going to show you guys here how they all look. I'm gonna give you guys a swatch, but look at the packaging. They're so freaking beautiful. They're so pretty. I just feel like this must remind me of Lancome lipsticks. They're so bougie. They're so beautiful. So you know what? I'm just gonna use Peony. And the name just rings a bell. I remember I always used to love Peony in their lipsticks. So I'm gonna apply some lip liner. You guys know me, I gotta overline my lips. So lined my lips. Kind of feels like I have a beer. So now we're gonna be using Peony. Packaging is just freaking gorgeous. Oh my goodness, they are like butter. So it's not a nude. It's a pink. I thought it was gonna be more of a nude. But remember, these are the spring colors. So freaking smooth. So here you guys have the final look. Fun, exciting, spring vibes, and really easy to create, you guys, if you guys follow my steps. So I hope you guys love this video. Please don't forget to leave me your comments if you guys want to watch more. I do have another palette, so I want to show you guys in this video. This one is called Volume 3 Smoky. So if you guys want me to create a smoky eye just using this palette, you guys, make sure to drop your comments down below. But don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, what are my... Louie and Lily, get your butt down off the bed. Thank you, Louie. Get down, Lily. Get down.